Good day, everyone. My name is Alondra, and today I will be presenting the Canyon Retail Operations Analysis using Microsoft Power BI. Using this analytical tool, I will present data on sales and divide this data by yearly trends, region names, vendor names, and product performance. I also use DAX to create a calendar table for a more structured view of the data and organizing that by dates. If you have any questions, please hold them until after the presentation. All right, let's get started. Okay, so why use Microsoft Power BI? Let us go over why we picked Microsoft Power BI for Canyon Retail Operations. To start with, Microsoft Power BI is a business analytics tool that permits companies to collect data from several sources such as SQL databases and Excel. So for our company, we use the raw data from the SQL database. This tool then transforms that raw data and converts it into something that is meaningful for the company. Power BI will prepare the data and generate visual reports that are easy to understand. Additionally, Power BI updates data in real time, facilitating managers or corporate employees to monitor the performance of products and make better decisions for the business. As a bonus, Power BI provides secure access. The data in Power BI is encrypted using Microsoft technology. Not only that, but we can also secure at a row level or create roles and allow access to those specific roles. Power BI also allows for users to collaborate and create strategies according to the data. So let's get into the company data. All right, so this slide is on units sold by product. We have the bar chart and it represents the number of units that were sold categorized by the product type. On the x-axis, you will see the number of units sold, and on the y-axis, you will see the product name. And for the rest of the slides, the same format will apply to the other charts as well. We can see that the medium tent was the highest selling product, while the Triple Z bag and the Easy Boot were the lowest units that were sold. The information on this bar chart can help this company evaluate the data and make decisions on product pricing. For example, whether to give discounts or increase pricing and stock management, such as increasing the inventory for best-selling products while eliminating the products that did not do that well. All right, let's move on to our next slide. So this slide is units sold per year. On this slide, we are comparing 2 years, year 2023 and 2024. The data indicates that in year 2024, Canyon Retail Operations had an exceptional year in sales compared to that of 2023. A comparison between years helps determine whether the company is targeting the appropriate consumers using the current marketing techniques, or if they need to change that and investigate the demands of the products being sold. This helps corporate decide on the future budgets and the inventory. Moving on, we will look at how Canyon Retail Operations did by the region. Okay, so this slide is units sold by region. Here we have 4 regions: Chicagoland, the Tri-State, Southeast, and the West Coast. Out of the 4 regions here, Chicagoland was the most successful region. Corporate can look at this chart and analyze the regions and decide if the strategy that is working for Chicagoland can be implemented into the West Coast and boost sales. An investigation can also be done on the West Coast or Southeast and see if there are other stores that sell similar products that are within the same vicinity at a much lower cost, or even see if the reason behind the poor performance of these regions is due to customer service or the management of that region. Let's go ahead and go to the next slide. Okay, so this slide is on region and the vendor sales. As you can see, we have 4 different vendors here on the Chicagoland, and then we have 3 on the tri-state, 1 on Southeast, and 1 on West Coast. This demonstrates the units that were sold for the regions by the group vendors, as I said previously. Canyon Retail Operations can see by region if there is a preference in brands. With this data, our company can renegotiate contracts with vendors and possibly have promotions that are more specific to products and their regions. So let's say, for example, in the West Coast, you are not going to sell too many of the thermal pants in a coastal region like the West Coast. And so then what we can do seeing this chart is say, okay, let's go ahead and speak to the outdoor trails and renegotiate their product and remove the thermal pants from the coastal area and increase that inventory of those thermal pants to Chicagoland, where possibly the climate would make it a bigger factor for the high demand of those pants. We can then add like Pacific gear to coastal regions to boost those sales there compared to the poor performance of the Pacific gear in Chicagoland. Okay, so this is the DAX calendar table. So what is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It is a language that is based off formulas. It works with tabular models and performs measures for the data that was entered into the Power BI. This is a good feature to use for date, time, financial, and filtering, as well as many other functions. The calendar table was created with DAX to organize the data in a structured way by time. This table has separated the data into months, years, and week numbers. It is very helpful because not only does it sort the data by the categories I just named, but it also helps Canyon Retail Operations see the sale trends over the period of time. Okay, so now let us summarize all that we have covered. I know it is a lot, and I hope it wasn't too bad. Okay, so to summarize this presentation, we have seen how powerful of an analytical tool Power BI can be. Importing data from an outside source, in this case we did use SQL database, we have cleaned up the raw data and made it into a visual graph that facilitates comprehension of the data. So using both bar charts and DAX, our company can have a better understanding of the sales and product performance and make decisions that will benefit not only us but our vendors as well. Thank you for your time. You have a great day. The following slide will be some of the resources that were used for the presentation. Please go ahead and click them if you would like more information, more detailed, and thank you.